Unit 1, End of Unit Retake. Question 1. Polyhedra A and B are both composed of 5 cubes. How do their surface areas compare? A surface area is less than B's surface area. B, A's surface area is equal to B's surface area. C, A's surface area is greater than B's surface area. D, there is not enough information given to compare their surface areas. Question 2. Select all of the nets that can be folded and assembled into a triangular pyramid like this one. Question 3. A cube has a side length of 5 inches. Select all of the values that represent the cube's volume in cubic inches. A, 5 raised to the second power. B, 5 raised to the third power. C, 6 times 5 raised to the second power. D, 6 times 5. E, 5 times 5 times 5. Question 4. A square has a side length 14 centimeters. What is its area? Question 5. A square has an area of 25 square centimeters. What is its side length? Question 6. For each pair of numbers, circle the number that is greater. A, 12 raised to the second power, or 10 raised to the second power. B, 5 times 6 raised to the second power, or 6 raised to the third power. C, 5 raised to the sixth power, or 6 raised to the fifth power. Question 7. A rectangular prism has dimensions of 8 units by 5 units by 5 units. What is its surface area? Explain or show your reasoning. Question 8. Here is a net made of right triangles and rectangles. All measurements are given in centimeters. A. If the net were folded and assembled, what type of polyhedron would it make? B. What is the surface area of the polyhedron? Explain your reasoning.